What's that?
That's a
It's 5,000.
bullet. You can try shooting it.
Yeah.
But this is the gun.
Yeah.
Oh look,
Oh, you have the GoPro. Is this the GoPro?
oh look.
Sure.
They have
Oh, this is
the bullets.
Here.
That's a shotgun. For hunting.
Is it for hunting?
No, this is for hunting.
How about this one?
I don't know. This is for catching foxes.
It's nice, eh?
It's cool.
Ang alin?
Canada. No, I mean USA. They tried to attack Canada.
Really?
Yeah.
Bakit gusto nila i-attack ang Canada?
What are you videoing?
So anyway guys, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa outlet ng Winnipeg. Kasi kailangan kong bilhan to ng ng kanyang cleats, ba tawag doon?
Cleats.
Shoe soccer.
It's cleats.
Cleats?
Yeah, the one.
So saan tayo titingin? Titingin muna tayo sa sa merong isang shoe dito.
Old Navy.
Oh no, it's not. Yung isang brand.
Well, I know that one. I forgot.
Tawag dito. Under Armour. Maybe they have. Huh?
There's so much balls there.
Huh?
You have so much balls.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, wala silang cleats dito sa Under Armour. Thank you. Lipat kami sa kabila. Kate Spade.
Oh, you have to go the ball.
You have already there.
Gosh.
You have already this one, right?
No, it's the ring. I have the normal one.
The what?
It's the golden ball they used for the final.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is Dallas.
Dallas.
Miami.
Miami.
How much
Okay,
is it?
tara. Tingnan natin.
How much is it?
Oh, this is clearance. Yeah.
I didn't know they had.
I think they have cleats. Yeah. Yeah, they have cleats. It's 50% off.
That one?
No, I mean, yeah.
I like this one. Last, you have to tie it.
Yeah. 50% off.
Are we looking for something special?
Yeah, yeah, we're looking for this one. Yeah.
Okay.
What size are you?
Him is going to be, I think, in the size 5 and a 4.
5? Where is that?
Yeah, not over here. Like,
Huh?
not on this side. There's only like until size 7 or 6 and a half. Oh, I see 5 and a half. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I see it?
Am I going to be in your YouTube video?
Oh, I'm gonna blur your face, no worries.
Nah, even if you put it on, I don't care.
Oh, thank you.
You have my consent in
Okay,
video
thank you.
format.
Thank you. Yeah, check out this.
Red?
You're black, right?
One black tigers.
You're black tigers.
I like this color.
No, that's for I think that's for girls.
No? I feel like this.
Huh? Meron dito.
I don't like that.
Meron dito.
I like this one.
Huh?
This one.
Sukat mo daw.
Can I?
Try it, yeah. Here.
Oh, here. It has like a thing.
Nabaliktad. Kabilang shoes.
Oh yeah.
So wala kaming nakita doon. Try namin dito sa Nikki. Nag-search ng kanyang...
If I bought the ball,
Ha?
I'm gonna get mad at me.
Doon.
Look, you have more balls.
Yeah. Balik kami dito sa Adidas kasi ayaw niyang tigilan ng bola eh. Magkano dyan?
Ask.
O sige, cleats muna. Cleats muna. Cleats muna, cleats. Then let's check kung mura yung
Ball.
mura yung ball. Pili ng cleats doon sa sa kabila. 50% oh. $60. Size sprint guard. Size 3.
Yeah.
Oh. Kunin mo. Kunin mo. Ako na.
Oh, push.
What happened? I don't know. Kung hindi mo magustuhan, pupunta tayo ng sports check. Polo Park. Tayo nga.
This is good.
Tayo. Yo, lakad ka lang.
Yeah, they look cute together, right?
Kasya lang? Right?
Yeah. I like it. Wait, is this? Yeah, that looks the same.
Gusto mo yung kulay na yan or...
I like green.
Huh?
Green.
You like green?
Yeah, this is yellow and green. I like this one.
Check the price. No, here. It's 50% off. The price is... There's no price.
Yeah.
Check. Which one?
I want this one. No, how about this one?
Ano bang gusto mo? Akala ko ito oh.
Fine, this one.
Try on the final.
This is the final one.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that? Oh,
Oh, you. How am I gonna pay?
we're gonna pay like this. Hold this.
Oh. How am I gonna pay?
We're gonna pay.
What?
It's hard to put it here.
Boy, you.
Oh, here's it. Come here. Oh, go there. Come here. Dali mo dun sa kanila. How are you gonna pay those?
Stop.
Come here. Give it to them. How are you gonna pay that? You cannot put the one outside. Come here.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm gonna pay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it. You're gonna pay.
Yeah.
This way. All the way in. Right this side. We're gonna put it up under our.
I'm gonna get this way.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. How much is one?
22.
$22. Almost the same price with your shoes. Huh? Lapit mo. So dito kami sa food court. Kuha siya ng bula first. Ang dami na niyang bula guys. Ang price nito is $22. And ang price ng kanyang shoes ay 50% off. Is $32. $12 na lang difference. It's okay. So nag-order ako ng kimchi. Then pupunta kami ng punta tayo ng ano, yung isa, yung malapit sa IKEA. Yung ano, yung malapit sa IKEA din, IKEA. Okay?
Northern Lights.
No, the other side sa IKEA.
We could have went to Rec Room.
Wala nga tayong card eh. Hindi natin dala yung
I
card.
left it at home.
Kung dala natin yung card,
We could have went.
yeah, we can play there, right?
Yeah, but that was only I only have $700 in there. I only have.
How much? 700 points?
Yeah. I don't have that much.
Anyway, hintayin ko lang yung sa akin. Guys, dito ako nabili ng aking mahal na oh. Yung aking mga camouflage na pants
$400.
sa Gap. Allowed kang magsuot nito 29 by 30. Dati 65 lang to, ngayon mahal na. $100 man. 4,000 pesos. Meron ako nitong, I think tatlong patig. Maganda parisan to. Alam nyo? Maganda parisan to ng rubber shoes. T-shirt, cap. Wow. Paborito kong style. Tara. We go here. Yeah. Guys, first time kong pumasok dito sa Kabilas sa Winnipeg. As in first time.
First time.
One time sa Washington.
Wait, you went to Washington at Cabela's?
Yeah, Kabilas.
With guns?
There's guns, yeah. This is my first time pumunta dito.
Or you're gonna have to blur the word.
Why?
Cause.
Why should I?
Cause.
Why should I?
Papa?
What?
We're gonna get a mess.
For what?
For a thing.
For what?
Thing.
No.
Yes, we are.
No.
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 What was it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
No. Card code. I'm scared. What happens if no children allowed?
Yeah. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. This is a boys only trip.
Huh?
Boys only trip.
Why?
Cause just us. 2 people.
2 people. I'm gonna bring you inside, guys. Nagtataka ako dyan sa ano yung isda na yan, na Bass Pro Shops. That's for fishermen, pero nag-viral yung ano niya,
Fisherman.
yung cup, yung bull cup. So, tingnan ko nga kung magkano price.
Oh, this way. That's
This one?
Cabela's.
Okay, that's entrance.
This is the entrance.
See, it says
Look
here.
at, that's a base pro.
Yeah.
This is base pro. Why are we going to Cabela's?
It's the same
Look.
thing.
Look.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Moose.
Okay, yung moose. So ito yung loob nila.
Oh, there's a bear above us.
Ano bear?
That looks like the bear that killed
Oh,
the
the
person.
black bear.
That looks like the bear that killed the person.
No, this one. No, not the one. The grizzlies.
The grizzly bear?
Yeah, the grizzlies.
Is that a grizzly paw? Oh, that looks like a bear. There's so much bears here. and
Tingin natin ang
deers.
sombrero.
There's so much deers here.
O, tingnan nyo. Nagmahal na.
Oh my god.
Dati tag $6. Ngayon tag $15 na dahil nga go there. Dahil nga nag-viral yung cup na yan. 15, 24. Same thing. Made in China. Nag-viral kasi yung cup kaya nagmahal na siya ng nagmahal. See? Yung black is $16.
Oh, this looks like the one you saw.
Yeah.
Look, it says it's coyote.
That's a real one. Ito yung nagpumatay dun sa guy.
The grizzly bear?
Yeah, the grizzly. This is the real one, guys. Ito yung talagang sukat nila. Ito talaga sila. Parang
This is their wildlife.
yeah, pini-preserve nila ba?
Look, come on.
Laki oh.
Wow.
Yeah, ang laki niya. Ito yung size ng moose.
Well, look what
Yun ang
I
size
found.
ng bear.
Got Alaska.
That's the moose.
Yukon.
Ah, for Yukon?
Yeah, Alaska Yukon. Oh, look at that. It's like pigeon.
It's turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah, you eat turkey?
Oh look, there's a black bear. Oh. What a porcupine.
Grabe. Look at the wolf.
Beaver.
Look at the wolf.
Oh my god. That's a coyote.
Is it coyote?
Yeah, look, it's just a deer.
Yeah, that's coyote, yeah.
Bob never touched it.
This
dude.
one, what's this?
That's that Central Canada Bearing Grove Caribou.
Oh, this is a caribou?
Yeah, the one you saw.
Oh, dun sa ano, yung nakikita ko dun sa
Oh look, it has a horn.
horrifying. That's a beaver.
Beaver, it's a porcupine.
Nasaan ang wolf?
There's no wolf. Look. Wait, what is this?
Guns, oh.
That's the vector.
That's a real gun.
Oh my. What is this?
Cell phone.
Oh, camel clothing.
Camo clothing.
There's the box.
That's a real gun.
Oh, rifle. Rifle. What's that?
You wanna try?
A sniper. There's snipers.
You wanna try?
How? You can't.
Huh?
You can't.
What's that?
That's a.
That's 5,000.
But look, you can try shooting it.
Yeah.
But this is the gun.
Yeah.
But look,
Oh, you have the GoPro. Is this the GoPro?
look.
Sure.
They have
Oh,
the,
that's
the bullets.
Here.
That's a shotgun. For hunting.
Is it for hunting?
No, this is for hunting.
How about this one?
I don't know. This is for catching foxes.
Nice, eh?
It's cool.
Gusto niya makakita ng mga baril eh. Ha?
Check in for appointment.
Oh, firearms not a savior spot. Sige, checking for appointment. I think you cannot hold it.
Why?
Yeah, they're not allowed. They don't allow it. Oh, that's the real size. This one is the real size.
The real size of a.
Yeah,
Well, look what I found.
yeah. They preserve it.
What is this?
I don't know.
This. I found geese.
You can see something here. That's the bear.
That's the bear that killed him.
Nasa taas siya.
Or does that
See,
look
they can climb the trees, right?
Wait, Pop, remember when we saw at Vancouver that the tourist said
Yeah.
there's bears that scratched the tree?
Yeah.
Whoa. There's so much guns here.
Tapos na kami sa IKEA. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dahil lubat yung GoPro. And sa outlet dito sa Winnipeg. Now, meron pala akong gustong i-share sa inyo. Kasi napanood ko ang vlog ni Mark Carino. Nag long drive sila all the way to Nevada, state of Nevada, no? Nakalimutan ko pala na sino man sa inyo, no, na mag long drive or from you are from US, mag long drive kayo from another state, or yung mga taga Canada pupunta ng Amerika, yung mga pupunta ng Amerika, let me know why. Okay, I know along the way kailangan ninyo ng shower, di ba? Along the way kailangan niyo ng shower, lalo na pag summertime, ngayon summertime or the next year pag mag long drive kayo, let me know. Sabihin niyo sa akin, PM kayo sa akin sa Facebook, Mark, mag long drive kami, pwede bang makahiram ng Loves yung aking barcode? Why? Ipapahiram ko sa inyo, pwede nating gamitin, pwede kong gamitin while nasa biyahe ko, pwede nyo rin gamitin while nasa biyahe kayo. Yeah. Paano? I-screenshot ko yung aking barcode ng Loves, okay? And then i-scan nyo lang sa, hindi nyo kailangan mag-download ng apps, i-scan nyo lang sa Loves Truck Stop. Ito lang ibibigay ko sa inyo, barcode. Ipapahiram ko sa inyo ang barcode para makakuha kayo ng libreng shower. Kasi as of now, unlimited ako sa aking shower. Pero kung gusto niyo mag-refuel sa inyong sasakyan, pumunta kayo ng Loves, gamitin niyo yung aking barcode, i-input niyo yung aking barcode para madagdagan din ako ng points para magamit niyo rin yung unlimited shower, unlimited refill ng drinks kung meron kayong mga tumbler, unlimited yon. Okay? So I know kailangan ninyo ng shower sa inyong biyahe, no? Kasi ang shower pag sa mga truck stop, that's $15, sometimes $15-20 per shower. Marami kayo, di ba? Example, isang pamilya kayo, so magbabayad kayo every day ng shower or every other day ng $100+ para sa shower? No, di ba? So itong aking apps, naka diamond pa yan until now. Ibig sabihin, unlimited ako sa shower, unlimited ako. Okay, nalobat lang ako. Pasensya na. So, yun nga, let me know kung mag long drive kayo papuntang Amerika kasi itong Loves, wala ito sa Canada. Only sa Amerika lang ito nagagamit. So, pag mag long drive kayo, dumaan lang kayo sa interstate, mga highway. Yung mga interstate na highway kasi kadalasan ng mga Loves truck stop nasa gilid-gilid ng interstate. Wala po siya sa secondary highway. Madalang yung secondary highway, I don't know, but mostly sa mga interstate ng Amerika makikita kayo ng Loves yung may heart. Then pwede nyong i-scan yung aking barcode para kayong buong pamilya makakuha kayo. Okay, putol-putulin ko lang kasi naglulubat siya. So yun na nga, sa mga gustong mag long drive papuntang Amerika or mga taga-Amerika na maglo-long drive sa sarili ninyong bansa, interstate, let me know, papahiram kong barcode. Huwag nyo lang gamitin yung barcode ko na kumuha kayo ng mga pagkain, gagamitin yung aking barcode sa points, no? Hindi pwede. Refill ng drinks sa tumbler, kung meron kayong mga tumbler, unlimited ang refill. Kahit pa maya-maya, refill kayo. Every time makadaan kayo ng Loves, refill kayo. Pero doon lang din kayo mag-refuel para managdagan yung aking points, mag-i-steady yung aking yung unlimited shower, no? Para makuha, maano siya. Okay, I know gaano kahirap at mahal yung shower sa Amerika. Pero again, pag mag long drive kayo, wag kayong dumaan sa second. Okay. Pasensya na, kailangan kong i-change yung position ng camera dito sa harap, sa amin sa front ng aking screen. I know gaano kahirap mag long drive tapos wala kayong shower. Nakikita ko sa namarka rinyo, tumitigil sila sa rest area and sa Walmart, no? Ang hirap ng walang shower. Mahal kung magbabayad ka tapos pag marami kayo sa pamilya na gagamit. Iwasan ninyong dumaan sa secondary highway. Advice ko lang sa inyo, wag kayong dumaan sa secondary highway. Wag kayong mag-drive. Kung mag-long drive kayo, wag kayong mag-drive during night kasi napakaraming wild animals na tumatawid during sa gabi, nighttime. Yeah. Kami nung galing kami ng Fargo, Grand Forks, muntik na kami makabangga ng deer. Biglang biglang tumawid yung deer.
Like when you see a sign for deer, you
Yeah.
have to like slow down.
Yeah, listen to him. Pag makakita kayo ng deer na sign na deer, then may nakalagay 5 miles or 10 miles, ibig sabihin yung area na yan tinatawiran ng mga wild animals or ng deer, no? Huwag kayong bumiyahe ng gabi. Kung maaari, interstate kayo titira, interstate kayo dadaan sa inyong ruta. Okay? I-plan niyo ng mabuti ang inyong trip. Makikita nyo naman, or kung hindi kayo sure, i-download niyo ang tinatawag, yung ginagamit namin na apps, Tracker Path. Okay? Pwede nyo gamitin yan sa kotse. Then pag hindi kayo sure, hindi nyo alam paano gamitin yan, i-browse nyo yung highway, di bali ng medyo malayo. Okay? Di bali ng medyo malayo yung iikutan ninyo, basta nasa along kayo ng interstate. Kasi ang mga gas station or mga truck stop, pwede kang tumigil doon para magpahinga overnight, ay every 30 miles, 50 miles, 25 miles. Napakalapit. Sa secondary highway, napakadalang ang mga truck stop dyan. Meron, pero yung mga maliliit at hindi 24 hours ang bukas. Kaya iwasan ninyong mag long drive at night, lalo na pag papuntang Amerika. Kasi during night, again, maraming hayop na tumatawid sa highway. And second, ulitin ko, last na to, every time na mag long drive kayo, let me know. Mark, pahiram ng iyong barcode ng Loves. Okay? Hindi ko ipagdadamot sa inyo, papahiram ko sa inyo yung barcode ng Loves para makapag-shower kayo. Okay? Pero doon lang din kayo mag-refuel. Pero yung aking Loves ngayon, yung aking status ngayon ng Loves is Diamond Unlimited. Example, ganito. Paano nyo siya gamitin? Meron kayong dala ng aking barcode, di ba? So, punta kayo sa labs, sa cashier, sabihin mo, magpa-reserve ako ng shower. Ikaw muna, or gusto mo, isama mo yung asawa mo para dalawa kayo. Okay, iwanan niyo muna yung mga anak mo or yung asawa mo, kasama yung dalawang anak mo. Okay, pero unlimited yon. Sabi ko sa inyo, unlimited yung shower na yun. Kahit maya-maya, kahit travel kayo ngayong umaga, mamayang gabi, mag-shower kayo, gamitin niyo uli yung aking barcode, no? Or refuel kayo ng inyong mga tumbler ngayon, mga soft drinks, whatsoever. Kahit gaano kalaki yung tumbler ninyo, walang problema yun. Basta meron kayong lalagyan. Hindi lang kayo gagamit ng kanilang mga cups. May dala kayong tumbler, unlimited yung tawag dito, refill. Ito lang, sa Washington, I'm not really sure. I think isa lang sa Washington, sa loob ng Tacoma at saka sa Tacoma at saka dyan sa shuttle. I think Love's nasa Tacoma. Then kung papunta ka ng Washington, from shuttle papunta ka ng palabas, papunta ka ng Idaho, merong isang Love's. May dalawang Love's, isa sa 94, isa sa Ellensburg. Then meron pang isa sa kanan, dalawang Love's nun. Sa Idaho, isang Love's, Idaho Falls.
Iowa.
Iowa, maraming Love's. Pero kung gusto niyo makita yung mga Love's na mga store, i-download niyo yung apps na Love's, okay? Kahit gumawa lang kayo ng account, i-download niyo lang. Or pag nasa interstate kayo, makikita niyo agad yung heart na logo. That's a truck stop. Doon mo siya magagamit, yung aking barcode. Again basta mayroon kayong dalang tumbler. Pag mag long drive kayo, magdala kayo ng malaking tumbler, okay? Magdala kayo bawat isa kasi nakakauhaw. Mahal yung bili ka ng bili ng soft drinks, okay? Pag meron kang isang tumbler, unlimited. Kahit ipangligo mo yan, then refill ko ulit, pwede yun. Yeah. Sa morning, example, titigil kayo sa labs sa gabi, nag long drive kayo, tumigil kayo sa labs, doon kayo nag overnight, doon kayo natulog. Sa morning, pwede kang kumuha ng kape, libre. Pero yun nga sabi ko, huwag nyo siyang gamitin. Nakukuha kayo ng mga hot dogs, energy drink, or whatsoever, kasi magagamit yung aking points, no? Mababawasan yung aking points sa shower at saka sa refill ng mga soft drinks. Kahit anong soft drinks na makikita ninyo doon, dyan sa refill na meron kayo dala, unlimited yun. Unlimited siya. Hindi siya yung magbabayad ka. Pero yung makukuha nyo sa freezer na nasa lata, nasa plastic na iinumin, pwede kang kumuha nun, pero matcha-charge yun sa aking barcode or sa aking account kung hindi nyo babayaran. Kung i-charge nyo sa aking barcode, hindi siya pwede ganon, no? Papahiram ko sa inyo, hindi ko ipagdarabot. Nakalimutan ko lang sabihin kay Rice at saka kay Mark yung yung pahiram ng aking barcode para makapag-refuel kayo. Makapag-shower at saka unlimited soft drinks. Yun ang nawala sa isip ko. Kaya next time, okay, sa mga nanonood, let me know kung taga-Canada ka man, taga-America ka man, sabihin mo lang sa akin kung gusto mong gamitin yung aking unlimited na shower at saka unlimited na soft drinks. Guys, so alas 7 na. Pupunta na naman kami sa laro. Uy, cellphone ko. Dala mo? Good. Sa games ni Kali. Today is Wednesday. Yes sir. Bibinyagan ang bagong shoes.
Ang ganda ng kulay, kitang-kita eh.
I picked this.
Lagi mo ng sunscreen pala yun.
Huh?
basket.
Hindi pwede itong parang bata.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why did you put it on me before? Mom,
Mm.
why did you put it on me before?
Iba yun, anak.
But it looked exactly like that.
Ito, meron ako dito.
Grabe init. Kanina pang tanghali. Sobrang init.
At di sa balat.
Sobra, walang hangin. Humid.
Next basketball naman.
There you go, nice.
Grabe.
Oh, don't bring it back, Macaulay. Covering more field. All right, CJ, it's you and the shooter. Okay, come on. Back, Nevin.
Diyos ko po, lumampas pa.
Nice. Work with the green, Black. Work with the green.
Go, Kali.
Get in front of him.
Naku.
Good job.
Good job, Kali. Go on. Come on, come on.
To the right, move to the right. Give him somewhere to pass to. Don't bunch it up, guys. There you go. Good shot to Tristan. Nice job. Go, Colt. Get him. Oh, nice job, Green. Good shot. Go, Green.
Oh.
Look for your player. Look for your player. There you go. Nice. Go, Tristan. Oh, nice kick. Green's on your team, guys. Remember that, Black. Green's your team as well. Oh, nice. There you go. Nice job, Tristan. Good cut off. There we go, Tristan. Here's Colt. Yeah. That's you, guys. Back, Green. It's back. Want to do subs again or no, sir? Yeah, we could. Hey, guys, everybody.
Yun, may hangin na eh. Sarap na. Maglaro. Late na. 7:49. Ah, it's all done.
Pati ako'y napapasipa.
That's just okay because it's a mix.
Mix kasi.
It's a mixed group. Like green and black.
Papa told me to get a goal.
It's okay.
It's okay. Baby.
It's okay. No worries.
Punasan muna kita ng pawis bago magpalit ng
I have
No.
no game on Monday.
There's no game.
I know.
It's holiday.
And ito yung last na mag-watch ako ng game mo kasi I'm gonna work na next week. It's okay. It's okay, buds.
But
Okay.
you're gonna wait. But after on August,
Oh,
you're gonna come back.
why?
Cause I have a game, another game.
Papunta ako ng Texas.
May pasok si Papa.
I
May work.
wanna
Wala ka namang
come.
pasok na
I
Sabado.
wanna come, Mom.
Wala naman ikaw laro na Sabado at
Mom, I
Linggo.
wanna come.
Why?
I wanna come, Mom.
Hindi ka makakalaro. ka naman.
It's okay.
Sige.
Lako, matagal. Kasi after ng Texas, pupunta ako ng New Brunswick. You cannot play your game.
I don't wanna play.
Why? You have a new shoes tapos ayaw mo mag-play. Oh, mama. Tawakan mo yan. Saan tayo?
Sa TV mo.
Wait, so the next game, the first person wins?
The what?
The first player wins because that was a mix-up.
Yeah, that's a mix-up.
So next game, it will be just 1v1.
Bilang
Yeah.
mo munang pagkain si Bebe. Gutom ka na.
So by next week, let me know if you score, okay?
How about Mama take video?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a video, okay? Send it to me, okay? I wanna see, okay?
May biyahe na kasi si Papa, Bebe.
When's the next time he comes home?
Abay, Sabado at Linggo.
What time does he come home?
Sabado at Linggo nga. Tapos Lunes,
I don't
bibiyahe na
want
ulit.
to Tagalog.
Saturday, Sunday. Then, Monday, biyahe ulit. Paano? Ang iyong laro ay gabi?
Yeah, you have
Oo. Paano yon?
games on Wednesday, no games on Monday. It's a holiday.
Holiday.
So your game will be on Wednesday.
But what month do you come home?
I will be back in 2 weeks time.
How much time?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? I thought you said 3.
3 weeks, yeah.
How long is your work?
Like I'm going to south, then I'm going to north again after south.
How much years do you have of work?
How much years?
Yeah.
Why you want me to stop na?
Why?
You want me to stop working na? Ha? Ito na yun guys eh.
Kasi nagbabanding-banding kayong dalawa yan.
Tatanong na eh. Tatanong na kung kailan daw ako titigil sa trabaho. Ito na yun. Yun ang mga tanong na ayaw kong pakinggan.
Eh kasi nga, kayo lang ang naiiwan sa bahay dalawa. Banding-banding kayo ni Bebe. Ayan.
Yun ang ayaw kong tanong. Kailan matatapos daw yung trabaho?
Ay, matagal pa. Hanggang sa mag-retired.
Oh my God. Yun ang tanong. Yun ang tanong na dapat hindi tinatanong ng iyong anak.
Why?
Kailan ka titigil? Anyway, we are done for the day. Meron pa akong kukunin dito. May papakita ko sa inyo. Nakagawa na ako ng ipandikit ninyo sa inyong salamin. Mamaya pupuntahan pa natin. Hindi.
Pupunta tayo. Tumawag na ako.
To where?
Kina Lola.
Why? Do you have stuff to give us?
Nandun na sina Ina.
Nakakasay.
Oh, diba?
Ay, nakakaya naman magsuot niya.
Tita, bibili ka lang ng pang-ilalim.
Oo.
Ito lang ang nakaganito.
Tsaka sabi ng
Saan binili yan?
Sabi ng tita, ganito talaga ang isusuot sa wedding.
Kaninong wedding?
Filipino.
Bolero, ang tawag.
Oh.
Tita, ang
Ano,
pag gusto mo,
sa
papabili
wedding
ako
ni,
kahit.
ni Krista.
Alam mo kung magkano?
Magkano?
800 pesos.
Well,
Ano ka ba? Ito mas mura to, 350.
saan pinabili ito?
KDL. Sa online.
Hindi yan maraming alam.
Could you imagine? $20. Ay, dito.
Ang mahal. Ang cute!
Isukat na.
Gaganan lang yun eh.
Nakaano
Ano ka lang?
ako.
Ay, mag-atin ka ng suna ni Bibi. Tapos ng suna.
Tapos na.
Congresswoman.
Hindi ako na-invite. Ano mo lang.
Oh, di ba nakaganyan lang siya?
Oo.
Oh,
Nasa yung
Tapos-
skirt?
Ah,
May skirt
ganyan lang po. Ah,
Cute.
sabi ni Kensley, kaya dalawa yung kanya sa picture.
ito daw galing sa Pilipinas. Ang dami naman. Uy. May sticker na oh. No matter the
What's your jacket?
Yeah.
What's your jacket? Whoa.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah!
Ganda oh.
Ay siya.
Oh,
Gusto
guys.
kayo dyan?
Meron ng sticker ha.
Malamig din ba dyan?
Yan oh.
I
Oh,
want
ang dami pala.
I want one.
Ah, meron pag isa.
But I want one.
Ah, ito maganda. Hawakan mo nga. Yeah, hawakan mo nga.
Hindi mo lang. Ay, madadala ko na kay Naina yung ano.
Yeah. You know.
Whoa.
Malamig.
Tapos, pag fill niyan. Oh, okay.
Oh, it looks the same. Whoa.
Wow. Meron ng sticker, man. No matter the route. Yes, sir. Meron ng sticker. Nice one.
Wow.
Huwag mo idikit dyan.
I want that.
Yeah, guys. Meron ng sticker akong pandikit pag once nakabalik ako ng ano. Nakabalik ako ng kung saan ako pupunta.
Di ba ito yung ilang piraso?
Yeah, I think so. Ito ay gawa ko lang sa ChatGPT. Yeah, ChatGPT ko lang ginawa yan.
Ayos naman.
Alin ang kay Kuya Dinis dyan?
Wala yata. Ewan kung alin ang pinadala niya. Baka ito.
Ito puro ChatGPT to.
Ito. Ang kay kuya. Itong kay Dian.
Okay, iba.
Magkaiba oh. Mas maganda tong 3x3 to eh.
Oh, mas ato to dark ng konti. Ito,
Ito yung pinalight nila, di ba?
nilight nila.
Ito
Mas
mo
maganda to.
magkaiba.
Yeah, mas maganda to. Yeah, mas maganda to.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah, may sticker na guys. Ang dami.
Ang dami.
Ang daming stickers.
This
Dala
one.
na aking
Can I
sahin
see?
from Pinas. Ito maganda, gusto ko to. Yan na. Dito lang kami sa bahay ang lakas ng bagyo. Grabe oh, hangin oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Busy na ang mga responder ngayon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Lakas ng hangin, grabe. Hindi lang siya ulan. Lakas ng hangin guys. So, kita niyo? Anyway, I'll see you guys bukas or the next vlog. Have a good night.